Project of installation of an outside lift in a building by the front facade with modification of the stairs. Phase 1. In the first phase, the architectural project is done to give support to the installation site. For this, a setting out of all the elements of the building is done, and the installations that might be affected are located. Phase 2. Once the license is given, both the manufacturing of all the structural elements in the installation and the lift are begun. The dig of the regulatory lift pit is kicked off in the worksite. The foundation that gives support to the lift structure is prepared. Simultaneously, the modifications of the installations likely to be affected are done. Scaffolding and needed safety measures are installed. Then the demolition of the building facade is done to assemble the structural elements that will provide support to the new stairs. Phase 3. The third phase starts with the assembly of the lift structure and the support platforms for the landing areas. The existing stairs in the building are forecasted and demolished. 1 floor per day is done in this process. The new structure of the stairs with its safety balustrade are assembled at the same time. The demolition phase is done from 9 AM to 6 PM, and the neighbours do not need to leave their homes. This phase is finished with the closing of the lift structure and the landing area's platforms. The interior and exterior of the building remain protected for the finishes phase. Phase 4. In the fourth phase, the building works are started up, orientated to do the floor setting and the aesthetics part of the stairs, drywall, installations, etc. At the same time, the whole assembly of the lift is done, doing the aesthetic finish of the closing through inside of the building. Once the stairs are finished and before the phases of the final aesthetic finishes, the works to expand the new hall are carried out. Phase 5. In the final phase, the building finishes are done, as well as the general painting in all the elements of the stairs. After that, the installation is cleaned to do the commissioning and give the installation to the customer. The customer receives all the documents related to the installation in this phase.